What's up, guys? Happy New Year to you all. It has been a while that I have dropped a video in this my YouTube channel. Guys, I really appreciate those that watched my videos previously, and I have been so busy with work, so that's why I didn't drop any. And I promise from now on I will be dropping trade ideas so that you guys will know what I'm looking at and what I'm trading. Each week I will drop a trade idea on weekend against the next week. So guys, I want to walk you guys through on the trade setup I have for the week, and I'm also in one trade. So before I show you guys the trade I am in, I would like to walk you guys through in some few setup. But first of all, let's look at the dollar index. Let's check what's happening with the dollar currency. So let's go to the monthly time frame. Let's analyze from there. I love to do top-down analysis before I enter any trade, because it gives me the overview of what's happening in the market. So for quite some time now, the dollar index has been ranging. If you guys can see closely, this is up to how many monthly candles? This is up to 2 years that the market has been ranging. And a few months ago, the thing just broke out from the range and is heading to this green bar. So with this information, guys, you guys know what to do with other currency pair that are related to the dollar, that's correlated to the dollar. Sorry. So this is the dollar index. It's broke. This is a weekly time frame. So the thing broke and the retest now is pushing up. So guys, let me just walk you guys through with some other dollar currency pairs. I have some pair that I have marked, some pair that I have analyzed separately. These red ones are the ones that I have marked to analyze for you guys. First of all, let's go to Euro card. Let's go to Euro card. So this Euro card, analyzed this pair last week, but I didn't get a chance to enter it. So how I analyze this pair is that firstly I went to the higher time frame, that's the monthly, to check the flow of the river to know where the market is heading to. And as you guys can see, this market was in an uptrend before. This was an uptrend before it broke out from this uptrend and it break this monthly support zone. This is a major zone. It broke out from there, and not only it broke out from there, it retests back here. So, and I was wondering how to enter this trade, but all these things happened a few years ago, so I just came to check what's still happening, and I begin to see a consolidation here. I didn't take any trade with all this consolidation, maybe close to 1 year, and all this consolidation before it now look as if it break out and return back to this zone. That's when I know that the market has reversed, the trend reversal. Then I now scale down to a lower time frame, like weekly time frame, to see what's happening more. Our network. Let me check what's happening to the network. Okay, we are back online. So as I scale down to the weekly time frame, so you guys can see there's a trend line this market broke out from. This is just a minor trend line, it broke out from it, and there is also a consolidation in the weekly time frame. So you guys can see this is a consolidation, and it broke out from this consolidation. For some weeks it has been consolidating, and it broke out, it retests back to this zone. So this is when I was looking for entry, but fortunately I didn't enter the market because not all trade that I entered, I just entered one trade, so I can't catch the whole move. But if you are also interested in this sell that is happening in this down trade, I will advise that you wait for the market to clear this level, retest back to here, then you can use your entry strategy to follow it. So just watch the market closing. Euro card is a sell, so we are coming down to this 1.44913. if we clear this level, we have all this space to bleed to the downside. So guys, let's quickly go to GDP card. I missed this trade on GDP card. This is a trade that I analyzed. I was waiting to enter this trade, but I don't know what just happened. I got busy. I don't know, maybe my village people. I got so busy that I missed out on this trade. Everything worked out as I planned it, as I analyzed everything. The thing worked out, but I was unable to enter this trade. I missed this trade because I saw this head and shoulder in a daily time frame. This head and shoulder formed in a daily time frame. I spotted it, and guys, I want you guys to know something. When you see a chart pattern forming on a higher time frame like the weekly, maybe monthly or daily, best believe that that chart pattern is going to hold for their life. So when I spotted it, I was so happy that I'm going to enter this trade. I was just waiting for it to break and later I was so patient waiting for it to just do its thing and give me a signal. So after waiting for it, the thing broke and retested back to this minor level here. So I scaled down to my 4-hour time frame and I drew my counter trend line, waiting for the market to break the counter trend line so I can jump in. But fortunately, I didn't take this trade, and this trade was so painful. I was very, very pained that I didn't take this trade. So, and I don't see any other entry opportunity again. Maybe I will enter this market maybe when it broke this level and retest back, or if you retest or the market retest back to this zone here, I might look for a sell opportunity. But ladies and gentlemen, I'm calling it out here that GDP card is on sale and it will sell for a long time. So let's move on to NZD card. This is a trade that I am currently in right now. I'm currently in this NZD card. So I analyze all these card, all these both Euro card, GDP card, and NZD card. I analyze all these trade, but when I came back to take that GDP card, I couldn't find an entry. So I just came back to this trade to check whether the trade has given me a signal. So these were the one that I spotted and I jumped in immediately. I didn't waste my time. So I jumped in around the close of this 4 hours bearish candle. Immediately the candle closed, I jumped in on a sell and I was risking 1% on my account. So I bought an account, guys, on Waste Capital. This is the account I bought on Waste Capital. So I was using this account I'm going to trade. So I want you guys to just join me as I trade this account and we'll pass it together. So I'm dropping this in for documentation and also to teach you guys and to show you guys what I have learned so far. So this is the account. I'm currently up just close to 1% on the account. So I have not closed my trade yet. So this is a 5k account. Waste Capital did a promo, 50% discount promo. So I took that advantage and I got one account for myself. And this is the profit, my equity, my current running equity, because this trade are still active. Now guys, let's go back. Let me show you guys how I took this trade. How I took this trade, that I first went to the monthly time frame, the way I normally do my analysis, and I was just checking the flow of the river, the direction of the river, and I find out that this market has been trending just this is just an upward, but I know that the overall trend is very, but this is just a minor moving uptrend. You know, I saw this as a chart pattern though on a monthly time frame, and I remember what I told you guys, that anytime you spot a chart pattern in a higher time frame, maybe monthly, weekly or daily, best believe that that pattern will surely hold. So these look like a flag. I've forgotten the name of this chart pattern, but it looked like a flag, so I can remember it. I read about all these things. So maybe the thing broke out, I knew that the market is about to go down. So I took advantage of it. I went to weekly time frame to analyze more, to look more into it, and I saw that there is a minor zone, weekly minor zone. So I drew that zone and I'm waiting for it to break that zone, this zone right here, this support zone. It came here, it tested that zone, it held, and it came back again and it broke it, and it just keep on testing it over and over and over again. So that was when I knew that there was some decision making over there. So buyers and sellers are trying to drag the market, but at last the sellers have it. So when the market broke that zone, it broke it, and it do as if it want to continue going down, and I was waiting for a retest. I'm not the kind of trader that trade just break out. I will always wait for a retest back to that zone, because when a retest come back to that zone, that's when I believe that the market will go down for a very, very long time, because it might broke out and you might think that the market is on sale, but it will just a fake out and it will boom, just continue going up. So I have to calm down to wait for my whole entry strategy to form before I enter the market. So immediately I saw it, I see that the market is testing this zone again. So I scaled down to my 4-hour time frame to refine my entry more. That was, I was seeing the uptrend consolidation, the market was consolidated, so I drew my counter trend line, so that anytime the market broke this counter trend line, that is a signal for me to enter. And I waited so patiently. The market now closed with a 4-hour engulfing, right? This is just an engulfing kind of or bearish candle close. Then I entered right here, and I'm holding it till here. I'm still holding it. My first level target is this green bar, and I have already break even on this trade, so I'm risk free. Even though the market decided to come back to my entry point, so I'm risk free. I'm not risking anything here. This is my break even, this green bar. Now I'm breaking even this trade, so my first level target is here, and my second or my overall target is in this purple bar. So guys, this is a trade I'm currently in now. So I love to keep all my trade, both my entries, everything. I love to keep it simple. If I just look at the chart and I notice that everything there is so confusing or anything, I will just let it be, because I can't force a trade. I only go with the direction of the trade. So it's in a downtrend, so I just go with the flow of the river. So guys, I'm still holding this trade. I'm holding it till it hit this first level target and my final level target. So guys, let me take you guys to another setup. This one is AUD chef. AUD chef is also in a downtrend. If you go to the monthly time frame, you will see it is in a downtrend. So you don't need any prophet to prophesy to you that this market is on a downtrend. So as you can see, it's trading down. So you just have to look for an entry opportunity. Let's go to weekly time frame to see what's happening more on the weekly. So there is this level that is here. The market broke it and tested back. Let me just delete this so you guys can see it properly. So this is a zone that the market broke it. The market broke this zone. It was testing on it over and over and over and over again. So the market finally break it, retest back to it. So this is what is happening on the weekly time frame, and I cannot enter this trade based on the weekly time frame. So I have to scale down to a lower time frame to refine my interest more. So I scale down to a daily time frame. And as you guys can see, this is the retest that's just happening here. So this retest, sometimes when the market just bleed down, it just takes some few candles to consolidate, like to get more momentum again to drop. So the market was consolidating back, retesting back to the zone. Then I scaled down to my 4-hour time frame to refine the entry more. So if you want to take this trade now, I'm not in this trade currently, though I'm not in this trade, but if you want to grab this opportunity to enter this trade, so you just have to wait for this thing to happen. This is just like a shoulder. You just forming like a head and shoulder. Remember, how I took the other one, like the GDP card that I missed, that it formed head and shoulder. So this just looking like head and shoulder pattern, so you have to wait for it to break. As the thing has broken now, wait for it to retest back to this level, then you now enter your sell, and you put your first level target. I don't know the kind of trader you have, but me, I'm a kind of trader that love to hold trade. So your first level target might be here. And if you also place a counter trend line, then you place a counter trend line. Wait, okay, maybe like this. I don't know. I don't want to leave any stone unturned. So since this market is, maybe this market is little confused, but I'll just wait for it to clear all this level, then I will have all this space to trade. If it returns back here, maybe break this counter trend line, I'll also enter this trade. Another trade I have here also is NZD chef. So this is just similar to the trade I'm currently in. I'm currently in NZD card, and this is also a similar trade in NZD chef. Wait, this trade, maybe you can enter this trade on Monday. Immediately the market open, you will just enter your sell with a stop loss. Immediately the market open, enter yourself with a stop loss above this zone. Then first level target will be here, about 60 something pips. Then you now push down. So I'm kind of I mainly do more of swing than all this scalping or day trading. I didn't say all these things are bad, but this is my own style of trading. So even though you are a day trader, you can also take advantage of this thing, but at least you have to find your own entry and exit point. So this is how I will enter this market, and I will wait for it to first hit my first level target. I will take out some of my profit, then I will now hold the trade. So if you are interested, if you can see what I'm saying, because this is a chart pattern, a bearish flag that the thing just broke out from the counter trend line, and this is a 4-hour time frame. So you just enter sell here, then the thing will drop. So easy peasy. Another trade is AUD USD. I've been looking at AUD USD, but AUD USD is similar thing, so I don't want to overemphasize on this currency pair. Just wait for it to retest, because the dollar index is bullish, so every other currency pair, AUD USD, Euro USD, GDP USD, will be bearish. So just have to look for your entry point. When the market returns back to this zone, then you will use your entry strategy and take advantage of it. Same thing with Euro USD. As you can see, the market is already trying to, I don't know, has already broken it or trying, but anyway, shall just wait for it to break and retest, then drop. So Euro USD, AUD USD is sell. Same thing with GDP USD. GDP USD, I'm thinking this zone is what will make me not enter this trade, because we are approaching a major zone. So I don't have that much space to enter. But if you are a day trader, you can find just maybe scale down to 1 hour or 15-minute time frame to find an entry. Wait for just more pullback to this zone, then you will enter. Then finally is on AUD card. Oh, AUD card is, oh god, AUD card is juicy, very juicy, guys. This is very awesome. This trading year, 2025 trading year, going to be awesome. We're going to be awesome. So this is head and shoulder. I spotted last time, but I didn't see any retest back to this one, so I didn't take this trade. I didn't see my confirmation, so I allow it to go. I can't chase the trade. So this is another confirmation too. I'm waiting for it to retest back to this zone, then give me some candlestick pattern, or I will draw my counter trend line. If you break it, then I will now join the trend. I will now join the sell. So guys, this is all for today. If you know that I have lied to you more, I have given you more things in this market, and I have educated you guys more, please hit the like and subscribe button, and also comment on other pairs you would like for me to analyze, because I analyze everything that have candlestick. So this is the one that I feel that I have more something to give than other ones. So if you think that is a pair that is confusing you and you need someone to analyze it for, you could just hit the comment section, drop it there, then I will analyze it and I will post it next weekend. So thank you guys. Peace out.